What's that beside you, Adriel? What did you make?
I made T.
Letter T.
T.
It's a horizontal line and a vertical line, right? That makes a letter T.
And that.
Yes. How do you make a letter T with your hands?
Okay.
Can you make it with your hands?
I can make it.
Oh, you made it already. You made it with your ABC blocks, right?
Yes, I made it.
Okay. How about letter I? Can you make a letter I?
Okay. Okay, do it.
Yes, that's letter I. What word is that? I and letter T makes the word it.
It.
Yes, it.
Let's home. B.
B? Which is B? Where is B? Where is B?
Huh?
Where is letter B?
There won't B.
And, what's the letter at the bottom?
B.
Are you sure? What is the letter at the bottom?
A.
Yes. Where is letter C?
C.
Where? Can you point?
C.
You point better. Point it nicely. You point it nicely so mommy can show you later when you're done with it. Okay, where's letter D? Where's D?
Why does she shout?
I don't know why Adriel shouting. You realize that you're shouting, huh? You know you're not supposed to shout, right?
I shout.
You know you're not supposed to shout, right? Don't shout, okay? It's not nice to shout. Right not? You'll be a good girl if mommy likes to see you smile, and mommy likes to see you smile. Yes. Give a hug to me.
Pretty.
Pretty. Look at the pretty face and the pretty nose and the mouth and the eyes.
Look at picture my eyes.
Don't take video. I'm taking a video.
What do that?
I'm taking a video. You want me to take a picture? Can you pose? Cheese. Cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese.
How about what else? How many other numbers can you pose with? Cheese. Cheese. How about your thumb? Can you pose with your thumb? Cheese. Good.
Good.
Okay, give a kiss.